Happy day, students. Today we started another grammar topic, which is prepositions. And here we go. Initially, we discussed about what is a preposition. So preposition is a kind of linking words which links a noun or pronoun to other words in the sentence. Simply, if you say a preposition, it will not give any meaning. So it is just a connector. It's just a linking word. For example, the watch is on the table. The watch is one noun and the table is one noun. The word which links watch and the table is on. So on is a preposition here. So based on the usage, the preposition is of three types. What are the three types? Number one is preposition of time. So it tells when that particular action is happened. It answers to the question, when did it happen? For example, I celebrate my birthday during Pongal. So during is the preposition of time. I was standing till the teacher said me to sit. Till is the preposition of time. Example of some prepositions are till, until, before, after, at, in, on, during, after, like within, from, since, for, by. Based on the usage, you have to read the complete sentence and understand which usage it refers to, and then you have to pick the type of sentence. The second type of preposition is preposition of place. It tells where that action has happened. For example, Kevin is sitting outside the class. Outside is the place, right? So it is a preposition of place. I am standing before Samyukta. Before is the place. So before is the preposition of place. So it simply tells where that action has happened. Even in comes for time as well as in comes for place. For example, my class will complete within, I will meet you in 10 minutes. Here it comes as preposition of time. I will meet you in Chennai. In comes as a preposition of place, right? So these are some differences. You have to read the complete sentence to identify the types. Type number 3 is preposition of movement, which tells how the action is happening, tells the exact movement. For example, the words around, down, up, through, into, against, at, back, from, towards, onto, out of, up, after, across, all these for, we will mention it for movements. For example, I walk through the forest. Through is the movement. It is the proportion of movements here. I traveled from Chennai to Madurai. Here you should not mention it is a place, it is the proportion of place. It says from one point to another point. So from and to is the preposition of movement. I went across the river. Across is the preposition of movements. So these are the three types of preposition. We also followed it by the workbook exercises and course book exercises. With another topic, I'll meet you guys. Bye. Stay tuned.